Okay, now we are at the point where we can connect the application to the complete drone system. Start by turning on your remote. You will hear the beep. Then turn on the drone by pushing in the power switch. The next thing is to scroll on your device to the installed application as the previous video indicated. Click on the app. Once you're on this page, click the three dots. If you get this screen, click OK. Now you can click Connect. What you need to look for is the device that is listed as a T10. You can see there is the T10 device. Just click and hold that, and then your system will now connect to the drone. We will now show you how to set up the phone to display the minimum features for your ease of use. Start by clicking the three white bars at the top left of the screen over here. At the very bottom, we'll now see Settings. Click the Settings. Now we will start at the top with User Interface. Click User Interface and then click Widget Preferences. We recommend setting the following widgets for your use: the flight timer, the diagnostics, remove speed and attitude information, scroll up, and select Geo Info. Scroll up on this page. At Unit System, select the system you would use, for instance metric. At this point, enable voice outputs, speech. Then we will go to the periodic status report. Period, I recommend 30 seconds, and every 30 seconds you'll get a report of these selected items. I recommend battery voltage, altitude, disable airspeed, and signal strength. You can then go back. There's nothing more important on the screen at this stage. The next thing is to set the advanced settings. There is not a lot of information here to set. Most of these blocks you can leave unchecked. However, when it comes to the altitude, I recommend setting this to 29, this to 15, and the default will be 20. Go back to the main app, and you will now see on the right hand side we have a limited information display. That block can be displayed or undisplayed by clicking this page icon on the left of the page. Thank you for watching this setup. We will in the next video explain more about all of these icons.